Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the System Information tool so you can see hardware and software summaries. First, press the Windows key and type msinfo32, then hit Enter. Once done, the app launches with the summary page. If the Start menu search is slow, press Windows plus R and type msinfo32. EXE, then press Enter. Make sure to run it from Task Manager as admin if permissions prevent full details, because elevated access reveals device drivers and system resources that matter for diagnostics. Once the tool is open, navigate the left pane to reach the exact section you need. For example, open Components, then expand Display for GPU details. You will see a list of fields on the right with values. Read them carefully to identify versions, memory sizes, and IRQ conflicts. If you want a specific entry fast, press Ctrl plus F and type BIOS or driver name. Make sure to check related subsections for dependency information, because some items appear in multiple places and you want the most precise. Finish by exporting the full report so you can share or archive it. Go to File, choose Export, pick a file name and save location, because the text file contains everything visible in the app. If you only need a snapshot, select Rows, Copy, and Paste into Notepad or Print from File Print. If the tool crashes or shows incomplete data, run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano, then dism repair commands. These repairs often restore missing system information access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.